What's up, YouTube? So lately I've been having the idea of swapping out the jump seat for the center console. I jumped the gun and I did it. I was originally gonna floor shifter the truck, but it's too much of a hassle. It looked really nice. Looks like it'll be a badass mod, but this will work for now. So yeah, tell me what you guys think. Fast forward, and I already took out the seat, but easy swap. Just two long bolts back there, Torx 45, and two short ones up there. I'll show you guys right now. Let me tighten these up. I know it's kind of dirty. I still gotta clean it out, but just mocking it up. Let's see how it looks. So those two up there. And it's way easier to tighten them up if you take out the cup holder. There you go. I gotta get rid of these seats though. Not cutting it.